Safely sending money from RBC Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication for added security. Avoid making transfers on public Wi-Fi networks. Log out of your online banking or mobile application after each session. Also, only use wire transfers for urgent or large transactions due to higher fees. Be extra cautious about verifying recipient information, as mistakes can be costly to rectify. Consider alternative options like international bank transfers for smaller or non-urgent transfers, as they might offer lower fees. Only send e-transfers to people you know and trust. Use the share function in the app or banking site, rather than manually entering email addresses or phone numbers to minimize errors. Set up a password or security question for added protection. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash if possible. Only withdraw cash from secure ATMs within bank premises or well-lit locations.